Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, I'm going to show you a trick which is like super easy, okay? And you will realize that you can actually do the multiplication faster than a calculator, okay? But just these tricks will need a lot of practice from your end as well, okay? So as usual, at the end of the video I'm going to push up a question whose answers you can use the trick and solve, and let me know in the comment section, okay? I will definitely tell you whether you're right or wrong, okay? So now first things first, let's say if you had to multiply 16 into 17, what is the normal method is just to multiply them, like vertically and get your answers, okay? But I'm going to show you a trick with which you will get the answers in really quick manner, okay? So what you have to do is, we have to understand what is the distance of both of these numbers from 10, okay? So can I say 10 plus 6 will get me 16, and 10 plus 7 gets me 17, okay? Now what you have to first do is you add 16 and 7, or you add 7 to 16. So what you get in that case is 23, okay? Now after adding, you just have to put a 0 in front of this, and then all you have to do is just multiply 6 and 7, which is 42, and add it, so you get this is your answer, okay? I'm sure you must be thinking that nah, so much time she's taking and all that, but while explaining, students, I do take time, but of course when you start doing this trick you will realize it is really very, very easy, especially for those who are giving exams which do not involve a calculator. For those, these kind of tricks are going to be really, really helpful, okay? So let's try one more. If we had 18 into 14, what you would have done is just, this is plus 8, this is plus 4, right? 10 plus 8 gets you 18, and 10 plus 4 gets you 14. So 18 plus 4, what you do is you just add the last digit, okay, to the previous whole number. So 18 plus 4 is 22, and then we put a 0 to your answer, okay? Now what you have to do is just multiply the distance from 10, whatever the distance from the 10 each of these numbers were representing. So you have 8 and 4, so you multiply that, you get 32. Once you add, your final answer is going to be 252, correct? Now let's see, you might be wondering that what if there is a single digit and you have to multiply it with a bigger number, then what you would do in that case? See, you can do this orally as well, but with this trick also you can do it. So it's up to you. You can use this trick or you can do it orally. It's completely up to you, okay? So let's say if you had 8 into 14, what you would do, there is a distance from 10 is what? Minus 2, and distance from 10 for 14 is plus 4. So here you're going to add 8 to 14, which is going to get you 22 again, and you're going to put an answer. Sorry, my bad, 1 second. Here instead of adding 14, you have to add 8 and 4, whatever is the difference we are going to add, okay? So when you add that, you get 12, and then you are going to put a 0 in front of it, and then what you have to do is just multiply these two, but this is a negative 2 and plus 4, so negative 2 into plus 4 will get you minus 8. So when you subtract 8 from 120, you get 112, and that is your answer, okay? Very quickly, let's do one more. Let's say if you had to multiply 9 into let's say 19, so that would be, this is plus 9, this is minus 1. So 9 plus 9 is going to get you 18, and you're going to subtract 9 from 8, so your answer is going to come out to be 171, right? So this is the trick. I know for single numbers you might find that this is a bit lengthy. You can definitely stick with this trick for the double digits only, okay? Now let's look for bigger numbers. If you had to multiply 18 into 21, now here your distance is 11, and here you're going to have 8, right? So we are going to add 18 and 11, and that is going to come out to be 29, and you're going to put a 0 over here, and then you're just going to add 8 into 11, which is 88, so which is coming out to be 378. So you saw how easy this trick became. Students, if you're liking the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, so now very quickly let's do 13 into 27. So if you have something like this is like 17 and this is 3, right? So when you add 13 to 17, you get 30. We are going to put one more 0, and all you have to do is just multiply 3 into 17, which is 51, and your answer is 351. Okay, so I hope you got the whole point and you got the whole trick of doing these kind of multiplications. Like I said, all of these tricks, in fact any of my trick, will only work if you have practiced it for quite some time. Okay, and by practice I mean at least doing 5-6 sums using the trick. You will get the hang of it. Okay, so students, now coming to the point of me giving you all a question. So the question over here is tell me what should be 14 into 18. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. Now before leaving, I would also remind you all a trick of which was there in one of my shorts, but still I would like to tell you all about it again. If you have to multiply any number, let's say if you have to multiply 16 by 25, you know what you had to just, you can, instead of doing the whole multiplication process, you can do 16 divided by 4 and 25 multiplied by 4. Okay, by that what I am trying to do over here is, see, 25 into 4 is going to get you 100. So what you had to do is just add 0 to your number, 2 zeros to your number, and divide your answers by 4. So your answer is now going to come out to be 400 directly, instead of doing the whole multiplication. That works brilliantly for any number which is completely divisible by 4, but for numbers which are not completely divisible by 4, still this trick would work, but it's going to be a bit more time consuming. Let's say if you had to multiply 19 by 25, all you had to do was 1900 and then divided by 4. So what your answer is going to come out to be 4, 7 and 5, 475. So you saw how easy these tricks are. Do subscribe to my channel for many such tricks. Okay, see ya.